Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low.
Hey guys, my name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day of February Heart Week. That is it. Today's Valentine's Day. That's it. It's over. No more. But yeah, so today I decided to do a Valentine's Day look, which I felt would be very fitting for the day. So if you're deciding to go on a date with your loved one, if you're simply staying at home and eating hot Cheetos because you don't have a date, then that's okay. Just still put the makeup on, eat hot Cheetos, you will look sexy AF. Either way, this is the look that I came out with. It's very Valentine's, very pinky, sparkly, very pretty. I really love the way this look came out, so if you want to see how I came up with this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Excuse my hair. I know it's a little messed up right now, but we'll fix it in the end. I'm not gonna worry too much right now. But the first product I'm gonna go in with is the Nivea Men's shade, which works really good as a primer because it has glycerin in it. So we're just gonna apply this all over the face. For foundation, we are gonna be using L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade W4 Natural Beige. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. I really want to buy like a new foundation, but which one do you guys recommend? And then just to blend everything out, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Okay, so that's it for the foundation, nothing too crazy. I really love this foundation. It's a go-to because look, it just like takes away all my flaws and just, I don't know, it does really good. I'm going to go ahead and use the MAC NC20. I'm going to try to I like to really brighten my under eyes, my forehead, anywhere that I'm going to be applying highlight. I really like to just be dramatic about it. And then I go a little crazy, so. It's just a really nice concealer. This one and the Maybelline Dark Eraser Circle one, Age Rewind. Maybelline Age Rewind. That concealer is exactly, I feel like that's the dupe for this one here. And I ran out of that one, so. But anyway, that one's a good eyelid primer as well. And that should be good. I feel that might be a lot. And then we're just gonna blend it in with the same. Going in with the Coty Airspun to set all of my concealer. And baking. So I'm gonna go back into my powder and I'm gonna go in with this Equal Tools flat brush, which is my favorite to apply face powder with. And I'm just gonna be patting this into my skin. Alright, moving on to bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Give Me Sun. It's like a really warm shade. Really warm. Okay, next I'm going into the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Powder. And I'm taking my Wet n Wild flat contour brush. And I'm gonna go into the medium cocoa right there. Just gonna go into that and start applying into my contour area, whatever you call it. So I just kind of press and flick. And then I like to go in with the darker shade, which is Deep Mocha. And I like to just stay up here in this area, closer to the hairline. Okay, and we're gonna blend that out a little more. So I'm gonna be going in with my Luxie 512 small contouring brush. And I'm just gonna give everything just like a nice little blend. Next, I go back into my contour powder with my wet sponge. And I clean up my contour. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be going in with Flower, and this is Peach Primrose. I think a peachy color is really beautiful for Valentine's Day. It's very girly, like, it still shows, but it's amazing. So pretty. Just gives like a beautiful peachy kiss to your cheeks. Alright, and for highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with Wet n Wild Precious Petals. This is the most beautiful color. I don't know if I would choose another blush for Valentine's Day. I think this is so pretty. I go really heavy, so you can go a little bit lighter if you want, but that's just not in my soul. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go into the tip of the nose, in the middle of the eyes, whatever that's called. What is that, the bridge of the nose? I don't know. Alright, and now so your makeup does not go anywhere, that it stays locked in place, we are going to apply a setting spray, and I feel like my natural lighting is trying to go away, but you need to stay a little longer. I see you, moon. I see the moon actually, like right there. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And my battery is dying, so that means I'm gonna have to get up. Might as well go get some water. Alright, so really quickly I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Never changes. This is in the shade Dark Brown.
I'm just gonna brush them out. There's a lot of powder on my eyelash extensions, looks a little odd. But that's okay, I'm just gonna fill in.
This to be a Valentine's Day look, so I want like to use pinks and peaches. I'm not too sure what I'm doing yet, but we're just gonna get into it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so first I'm gonna go into my IT Cosmetics palette, the Naturally Beautifully palette, Naturally Pretty. And we're gonna be going in with Sunrise, which is this shade here, like a type of orange. Go ahead and take that into the crease. Just gonna go in twice with that same color just to give me a little more color payoff. Alright, moving on to the next palette. I'm going in with the Naked 3 and I'm going to be taking the shade Nooner, which is this one right here, like a nice mauve pink. And also focus it more on the outer corner. So a little bit lower, right underneath the other shade and then just on the outer corner. Going into the third palette, yes, 3 palettes. I'm going into Coastal Scents Revealed 2, and I'm going to go in with this deep maroon shade, and I'm going to be mixing in this brown maroon shade as well. And I'm going to be using the Sigma Blending E36. They sent me this brush, and I want like a million more because this brush is everything in the world. It just means everything. Just going in with that maroon shade, we're going to keep it on the half outer corner. And you're gonna just slowly have to build this shade up. So I'm just gonna go back and forth and I'm gonna fast forward through this until I get the pigmentation that I want. So as you see, I'm just sticking to the outer half. And just blend, girl, blend away. And then I'm gonna quickly take my brush that I've been applying every shadow with and I'm just gonna blend this out. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines. Now going in with that darker shade that I showed you. I'm just going to go on the outer corner as well again. And now for the eyelid color, I feel like every girl should use this shade on Valentine's Day because it's so pretty. It's in the shade Amber Rush and it's pressed down pigment. So this one I like to wet my brush because it just works better like that. You get a lot more payoff. And then I just press this on to the eyelid. And I just go to the inner corner and I just do the inner half. I would put my pinky into the pot and press it on, but I can't do that with these nails. It just won't let me, so I'm really trying to just do it with the brush. And you just gotta kind of mess around with this, apply more glitter if you need, or not glitter, apply more of the Ember Rush if you need, apply more dark on the other corner. Just kind of see what you need and until you get it right. And then I spray with Fix Plus, just to make sure everything sets in and we're good to go. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with Nooner from the Naked 3 palette. And I'm just going to be applying to the lower lash line. I like to do whatever I did to the top of the eye to the lower lash line as well, just so it can kind of all pull in together. And for highlights, I'm going to go ahead and go into my petal pushers. And I'm just going to be applying this to the brow bone, like this. Alright, I'm going to be going in with the X Lash Mascara. Really quick, I am sponsored by this company. They did purchase this mascara. Like the video is not sponsored, but they bought me this, so you know, I don't really know how all of that works, but they sent this to me a long time ago and I started using it and I really actually do love this mascara. I like the curve of the mascara one. Now I can't say any for it on top of my like regular lashes. I can only speak for this from using it on my bottom lashes because, as you know, I am wearing false extensions. So, and they did send me a serum that they wanted me to try out to see if my lashes will grow. And like I said, I've had lash extensions, so I can't use it right now, but I will give it a go when I no longer have my extensions. So thank you for sending me this mascara. It comes in a really pretty packaging. It is a black tube and then it has like indentions of diamonds or something. And it's really cool. It's really pretty. It works pretty great. I really like it on my lower lashes. And if you want to buy it or if you want to take a look at the website, I will link it down below. Thank you for sending me this mascara. But yeah, the brush is amazing. I love how it really separates your lashes. Like it really gets in there. And you know mascaras that you use and like you feel it like not even touching your lashes? This, I feel like it's combing through every single lash. It just feels amazing, so I can't. For the lips today, I'm gonna go in with the nude. I have not gone in with the nude, this nude. This is actually MAC's Creme de Nude. It's really, really, really nude. Can I say that like 10 more times? Ooh, that is nude. It's like a milky nude. It's almost too nude, but I kind of like it with the eyes. To be honest, I really love the way it turned out. Like the nude lips are a little nude, but on Valentine's Day, like you can pull it off. You can be a little more sexy and it just looks really fun and like, I like it. I like it a lot. So that is it, guys. And also I want to say thank you so much for showing me lots of love on this February Heart Week that we just had. Today is the last day and today is Valentine's Day. So I hope that you guys have found love, and if you're single, I would say for you to just go ask your girlfriend to be your Valentine, and that way y'all can just buy each other chocolate, y'all can go out for drinks and just have fun. Like don't even worry about it, go put some makeup on. But above it all, happy Valentine's Day from me to you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!